are these?
These are bears.
We say one bear, but many
Bears.
bears. Good. What this?
Fish.
Good, that's
These
good.
are fish.
These are fish, and what are these?
These are fish.
These are the fish. Yes. What's this?
This is hands up, hands out, hands on your and sit down. Stand.
Stand up. Stand.
One, two, three, hop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, stop.
Okay, you're a very good teacher. Like.
Who is it? It's me. Who are you? I'm a wolf.
Come in, wolf. What do you want?
Wolf. What do you want? Can I have a car, please?
How much is it?
20 bucks. 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Here you are.
You are. Thank you.
Spin around. Don't spin around. Look around. Where is the floor? Where is the floor? Good. Spin around. Don't spin around. Look around. Where is lamp? Spin around. Don't spin around. Look around. Where is wall?
Well,
Good. It's a window. Where is the wall? Where is the wall? Hands up.
hands down, stand up and sit down. Have your hands stand up, clap your hands up. 1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, stop. Yes,
I do. I have a mother. Do you have a father?
yes, I do. I have a father.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I do. I have a sister.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I do. I have a brother.
So, can you sing a song about your family?
Yes. I have a mother. I have a father. I have a sister. I have a brother.
Do you like your mother?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your father?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your sister?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your brother?
Yes, I do.
Judy. Now we're going to dance. Hello.